project on planning and design of interior roads and drainage system for residential township in Coimbatore. Myself Cholan, this is my friend Bharatkumar, this is my friend Manashekara. Introduction. A road is a thoroughfare route or way on land between two places which has been paved to allow travel by some conveyance like bikes, cars, etc. Roads that are available for use by the public may be referred to as public roads or highways. Next slide. Next we are going to talk about the objective. The objective of the road is to design and plan the interior roads and to provide road drainage system for the 32-acre residential township which is placed in Coimbatore. To also estimate the quantity of raw materials required, number of labours required. To also calculate the total cost of the project. Next slide. Methodology of our project is first planning. In planning, the first one is time scheduling. Next data. Data we are collected as CPR test data and meteorological data, traffic analysis. Then design. Here we have to design we finish the designs are geometric design, structural design, surface drainage system design. Next estimation of the project is materials required, cost, labors. Then next slide. We collected the literature reviews. Next. Here the methods: the stabilization of a black cotton soil using fly ash, rice husk cast. The wetting and drying process of a subgrade layer composed of the black cotton soil. Next slide. This is the repose site plan.
This is the repose site plan, and the location is Ontipudur, which is located in Coimbatore, and this is the plan. And this is the California Bearing Test Ratio report. And this is a procedure to do a CPR test. This is one of the results of CPR test. And this is the second result, and third one, fourth one, and fifth one. We got actually 5 test values, that is 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, and we are taking CPR decision value as 2%, which is least, and this meteorological data which is collected from Coimbatore department. And this is the temperature data for the year 2011 and 2012, and this is the monthly rainfall data, and this is the 20-year annual rainfall data, and these are the suggestions for proposed payment. And these are the surveying details. This is used by contour learning, and these are the values for every single place. And the design traffic is based on initial traffic growth rate, and design life, vehicle damage factor, and distribution factor. And initial traffic we took it as 300 CVPD, and traffic growth rate as 2%, and design life as 15 years. And vehicle damage factor is 3.5 as per IRC. And then traffic intensity, we took a traffic intensity in many gated community, and we came around 50 to 300 vehicles per day, and it comes under class B and medium traffic. And this is a 2-lane carriageway we are designing, and as per details 300 CVPD per day and 2%. And using this formula n is equal to 365, we are getting around 5 million standard axles. Pavement composition, it's a definition of pavement composition: subbase, base, bituminous surfacing, and this is the IRC code book reference. This is the another table from IRC 37, which has a different total pavement thickness for different MSA.
Total pavement thickness for CBR 2%. We take this from IRC 37 to zone chart 1. We take 795 mm as a total pavement thickness, and this is the several pavement thickness. As this cross section of our road. Next, camber design. As per IRC 37, we found the camber design, and this is the formula for camber. And we took 1 in 50 as a road slope. As this crown surface drainage system, there are 2 types: hydrology analysis and hydraulic analysis. Hydrology analysis adopted because maximum quantity of water expected. As a rational formula, Q is equal to CIA. We found the runoff for every cross section of road. Estimation. We estimated the quantity of cutting and filling for every roads. And reference, we refer IRC 37 and NPTEL.
Thank you.